Here's a cruiser just in it, unique, especially in classics. What a body style. 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Holiday Sedan flat top. So Holiday, of course, the four-door hardtop. No pillar between the front and rear windows. 371 Rocket V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front grille and the chrome and the bumper. You gotta love the styling on these things. Look at this emblem, both sides between the headlights, 88. Chrome looks good up front here. I did notice just a slight amount of pitting over here on that kind of corner piece, but again, that's being awful fussy. Original paint color in this car, copper mist and white, according to the data tag, so still looking similar to what would have looked back in 1960 when it rolled off the Oldsmobile dealer's showroom floor. Paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few little specks in the clear you can kind of see, but this car will turn some heads, don't get me wrong. Even pointing out some of the small minor things. Check out the still pictures for yourself. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk, unique, classiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on Legend, I should say Vision Legend series wheels, 5-spoke chromes, as you can see. Kind of a cool aftermarket wheel for this cruiser. Again, Vision Legend series, 5-spoke. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see those panels awful straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a few little spots where it's been touched up by a previous owner. It's taken care of it. Interior kind of burgundy and white, or wine and white color combination with the cloth and vinyl. Stock looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little closer. You gotta love the flat top, that rear glass. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little spot in the chrome in the rear bumper. Great looking rear end on these also. Just very cool styling. And once again, those still pictures so you can see this car from every angle. Close-ups, undersides, interiors. Unique, classiccars.com. If you like these late 50s, early 60s four-door cruisers, or hey, just cool styled cars in general, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or, of course, right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. That dynamic 88 polished emblem. A lot of polished trim pieces and chrome in this car. And you can see up and down this driver's side also has nice shine to that paint. Like I said, this one will turn some heads, no doubt about it. Brakes are like new at all four corners. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We do have seat belts in the front and rear. Door panels matching the color of the bench seat. Let's fire this up. I want to let you hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood too. All right. That was a cold start. It says so right there, huh? Top of the dash looking good. And again, back to that styling. More Oldsmobile 88. Headliner. Good shape. Not notice any rips, tears, holes in the seat. This thing just purrs. And again, no pillar between that front and rear side glass, I should say. And listen, can you hear it? Pretty quiet, smooth running. All right, let's check out this engine bay. Very original looking engine bay also. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, yes, Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. And how about the engine bay? Battery disconnect for when it's in between drives or maybe in storage. There it is. What is that? 371 Rocket V8. Power steering, power brakes. Pretty smooth running. What you'd expect. Good looking engine bay. And if you look at that towel or firewall back there, you kind of see what the original color would have looked like. It's a little brighter copper on it now. What a cool looking car. 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Holiday Sedan flat top. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. Large four-door, beautiful machine from 1960. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. I can hear the turn signals working. I don't see them light up on the dash, but I can hear them. Our fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank. The torque in this car makes it kind of effortless for it to pull itself along up to speed. Look at that speedometer, I don't know if you caught it. Started out green, switched to orange, turned into red as I'm getting a little over what you might say the speed limit is. I love those. It's a spinning column that ends up looking like a vial filling with mercury, such as a thermometer, as you speed up and slow down. Very cool. Clock equipped over here. I do not see it moving, but it is clock equipped. The windshield wipers do work on this car. Great looking door panels and seats. Headliner also looking good. Factory horn is working as it should. Nice ride down the road. As a larger Oldsmobile, it does ride nice and soft. Power brakes working well. Of course, Oldsmobile is going to give you power brakes and power steering. Very easy to steer in the corners. Actually, you know, it doesn't lean as much as you might think. It is luxurious in the corners, as it should be, but it handles well in the corners. Acceleration is good. Very comfortable car to drive, and you don't see very many 60 Oldsmobiles like this. Be sure to check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.